Welcome student. Today I am going to continue the chapter agriculture. Further reading this lesson, we will read the major crops in this sequence. A variety of food and non-food crops are grown in different parts of country depending upon the variation in soil, climate and cultivation practices. Major crops of India divided into following groups. You can see this group in this chart. Food crops other than grains, horticulture crops, non-food crops, fiber crops. Food crops refers to rice, wheat, millets, maize, pulses. Today we will read about food crops. Rice. Rice is a major food crop of India, and the plant of rice is called paddy. Rice is the staple food crop of India. A majority of the people in India. Our country is the second largest producer of rice in the world after China. It is a kharif crop. It requires high temperature above 25 degrees C, high humidity, annual rainfall above 100 centimeter. Annual rainfall above 100 centimeter. It grows best in alluvial clayey soil which can retain water. In Assam, West Bengal and Orissa, 3 crops of paddy are grown in a year known as Os, Almond and Boro. It is grown in plains of north and northeastern India, coastal areas and the deltic region. Development of dense network of canal irrigation and tube wells have made it possible to grow rice in areas of less rainfall such as Punjab, Haryana and western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan. Wheat is the second most important cereal crops. It is the main food crop in north and northwestern part of India. Wheat is a rabi crop grown in winter. It requires cool growing season and bright sunshine at the time of harvest. Annual rainfall of 50 to 70 centimeter evenly distributed over the growing season. There are two important wheat growing zones in the country: the Ganga Satluj plains in the northwest and black soil region in the Deccan. The major producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan and parts of Madhya Pradesh. Millets. They are also known as chorus grain. It needs low rainfall and high of moderate temperature. Jowar, bajra and ragi are millet crops grown in India. All these crops have very high nutrition value. Jowar. Jowar grows in moist areas and hardly needs irrigation. Major producers: Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. It is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production. It is rain-fed crop. Bajra grows well on sandy soil and shallow black soil. Major bajra producing states are Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. Ragi. Ragi grows in dry region or red black, sandy, loamy and shallow black soil. Major producing states are Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand and Arunachal Pradesh. Maize. Maize is used as both food and fodder crop. It is also known as corn. Maize is basically a kharif crop, but in states like Bihar, it is grown in Rabi season. Use of modern inputs such as HYV seeds, fertilizers and irrigation have contributed to the increasing production of maize. It requires a temperature range of 21 degree to 27 degrees Celsius. Annual rainfall 50 centimeter to 100 centimeter. It grows best in old alluvial soil. Major producing states are Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Pulses. India is the largest producer and consumer of pulses in the world. Pulses are a great source of protein in vegetarian diet. Major pulses that are grown in India are tur, urad, moong, masoor, peas, gram, etc. Pulses need less moisture and survive even in dry conditions. Being leguminous crops, all these crops except arhar help in restoring soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. Therefore, these are mostly grown in rotation with other crops to regain its fertility. Major producers are Madhya Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra and Karnataka. That's all for today. We will discuss next part of the chapter in next video. Thank you.